Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite budget YouTuber, Budget Auto Tips here, back again with another video for you guys, and this one's gonna be a little bit of a quickie, guys. But let's hop right into it. So we're back in here in the '02 Buick, and we're still doing some work cleaning it up. I know it's been a long time since I've really posted about this car, but I've pretty much had to let it sit because I've been really busy with some personal stuff and school and work and stuff like that. But now that winter break is coming up, I'm gonna have some time off so I could actually work on this thing and hopefully make some good content for you guys. So guys, one of the issues I had with this car is this center console armrest thing. What was happening is I'd have it down and it wouldn't stay down. It would just keep coming back up like that by itself. And it turns out it was the clip that actually holds it in place. And I got this car like this, so I was okay with it. It wasn't that big of a deal. But yeah, so as you guys can see, the little clip part snapped off. And yeah, so I had to use this little piece of string to actually tie it down to keep it from coming up, but that took away the functionality of the little drawer piece, and on top of that it was annoying as heck. So if you guys are experiencing the same issue, I'm going to show you what you got to do real quick. So here's the old piece, and as you can see, there's two little holes right here. All I have to do is take the two screws out and replace this piece. Now, if you want, you could actually replace the whole piece with the cushion, but the cushion's actually in pretty good shape still. It's not too bad and should be fine with a little bit of cleaning. And the plastic is also not too bad in here, so we're gonna go ahead and keep that. But as you guys can see up here, I already replaced mine. And as you can see, that's what the clip is supposed to look like. Show you a comparison real quick. So here's the one that's broken, and that's what the replacement looks like now. I went ahead and got this piece from a local junkyard, and they sold it to me really cheap. So guys, if you just need to replace this piece and you don't care about replacing the whole armrest, just go to your junkyard. Go ahead and grab this piece, make sure that the clip is intact, and go ahead and replace it. And to replace this one, all you got to do is take out these two Phillips head screws right here. Take those out, and after you take those out, it just comes right out, and you just go ahead and grab a replacement, line it up, screw it in, and you should be good to go. Now you're gonna want to test it, and be gentle. You don't want to break the clip and have to go back to the junkyard. So go ahead and give it a test run, and if you hear it, click into place, you should be good to go. So as you guys hear that, see it, click into place, it's good to go. No more lifts, no nothing. It's good to go. And then in this one, you just press on that plastic piece, and that just lifts it up. So a lot of people, what they don't know is they're supposed to press on this. That's actually what allows it to come out of there. If you don't press on this, and I just press on it lightly, don't press on it too much pressure, guys, because these are older cars. But you just want to come under here and just pinch it lightly. That'll actually move the clip a little bit, just a little bit, as you guys can see, so that it could escape the little latch mechanism, and it'll be good to go. So actually make the little clip piece last a lot longer too than if you're just like trying to move it up, or just pull it up or whatever. So just go ahead and reach in there, go ahead and pinch it lightly, and it'll go up, and whatever comes loose, just screw these guys back in, and just don't try and smash this piece, guys, because then you'll end up having to replace it again. Might break down here, might break the clip, or who knows, maybe I'll break a piece off up here. But anyways, guys, if you need to fix your 02 Buick armrest because it won't stay down, that's all you gotta do. Just replace the clip, guys, and you'll be good to go. Good as new. Alright guys, thanks for watching this quick little video. I'm gonna be doing more videos on the 02 Buick here in my free time, and hopefully I could upload these videos quickly for you guys. So I'll catch you guys later. You guys have a good one. Happy holidays, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.